And now row number 24. At first we are going to do 14 single crochet with white, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now I'm going to make 20 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, and join it with a slip stitch into the next stitch, and we'll continue with 1 single crochet and leave it undone because we'll bring in red again. So this is the loop and we'll continue with red and make 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And the last row, row number 25, we'll make 13 stitches with red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 1 between the loop and then 1 single crochet after the loop. And I'm going to make 1 slip stitch and cut the yarn.